2, 3. More about the TPN sales pack, specifically the offer to purchase. Now we're signing the deal, Peter.
Nice.
Who needs to sign it and how does it need to be signed?
So, Michelle, in terms of the Alienation of Land Act Section 2.1, it stipulates that both the seller and the purchaser must sign the document in writing. The OTP must obviously be in writing. And if a representative party is now representing the seller or purchaser, they need the proper authority to do so, and they obviously also need to sign the document in writing.
So it needs to be a wet signature. The original is required.
100% correct, yes.
What about the Electronic Communications Act?
The ECTA, or Electronic Communications and Transactions Act, excludes documents signed in terms of the ALA, or Alienation of Land Act, from its ambit. So that means electronic signatures in terms of the Alienations of Lands Act is a no-go.
So in terms of OTPs, we can't do electronic signatures.
100%.
What about witnesses? Peter, do we need a witness on a OTP?
Much like witnesses on lease agreements, it is not necessary in terms of the law to have witnesses, but it's definitely a better idea because those witnesses witness the actual signature on the document and that the person signing the document is the actual person who's supposed to sign the document. So we'd consider it vital, but it's not a necessity or it's not a legal necessity in terms of the legislation.
Perfect.